Hello, and welcome to the Business Plan Template tutorial. This document takes the user step by step through creating a business plan for a company. Each section of the business plan is covered with a tutorial and then followed by example content for a company operating in the industry. There are three options for writing your own company business plan using the hybrid business planning documents. 1. Read the instructional content and watch the videos to learn what is in each section of the business plan, then use the template format to write your own plan from scratch. 2. Read the instructional content and watch the videos to learn what is in each section of the business plan, then use the template and modify the sample content to fit your specific business. 3. Use the plug and plan template. This template is included in the package and consists of a sample/example content. This template has yellow and blue highlighted areas where users can simply type in specifics for their company, utilize all the sample content, and have a completed business plan.